Here's the topper I have on the truck. It's an Armorflex, 3-section. It folds. It's not 100% waterproof. I get a few drips here and there depending on, the rain, how heavy it is or whatnot. But for the most part, it's definitely keeps 99% of the water out. Again, every now and then I'll get a drip or two, but nothing's ever gotten wet to speak of. I'll unfold it and show you what it looks like, but I couldn't survive without a topper on my bed, and this has turned out to be a really nice topper. I got this coating is I forget what they call it, but it adds some strength and weight carrying capacity. I don't carry anything on it, but it gives you a little extra peace of mind. I think it was around $100 extra for that particular coating on it, and I think it was well worth it. So, here's a look. I don't know if you can see it, but to open these, there's a little pull strap right here, and you just have to pull one side, but the strap is on both sides, so regardless of what side you come up on, you can open this, and you can open it one-handed. It's not heavy, very handy, and you can open it one section at a time, which is nice. So if I just need to get in my cooler here, very easy to do. So we've got one section open. Again, one hand reaching here, and those little pulleys are on each section. Both sides, you can come up on either side. Let's see, I'm going to switch hands here, but you reach in here, pull that up, fold that over like so, and there's two sections open. This, I got it at one of the four-wheel drive auto part type stores here in town. They installed it. I ordered it, installed. I think it was less than $1,000, all done and out of the installation garage. So fairly affordable, I think, as toppers go. On my F-150s, I had fiberglass that kind of fold one piece. They fold up, fold down. This gives you a lot more flexibility. Again, I've been pretty happy with it. The fiberglass toppers were 100% waterproof. Never got even drips in it. I'll get a drip again every now and then, but it's nothing that we keep clothes back here, perishables, dry goods. This certainly is not a problem with anything you put back here. It's very secure. Each one of these sections, what I like about it, each one of these sections locks. So as far as theft goes, it's a pretty good deterrent. I'm pleased. I think with any topper, if someone wants in the back of your truck, they're definitely going to get in it, but I like the security feature of this type of topper for sure, and so far it's worked out well. I want to show you here, this has clips on both sides, so when you have two sections open on this topper, if you clip the other side, and then I've got this side clipped, and you can tighten it down. You can travel like this. So if you've got something in here that's sticking out, that's too long over your tailgate, or it's too high to close it, if you secure both sides down, you can travel that way. One feature I wanted to show you on this topper, and I don't know if you can see it right here, but on each side it has these support bars. So when you fold the third section up, you can put those support bars in place, and I'll fold those up and I'll show you those support bars, but that keeps it from leaning against the cab of your truck and scratching it, denting it, making noise, etc. But when you have that all three sections folded up and you have those support bars in place, you can operate the vehicle on the road. You can also tow with it like that, and it's very nice. Again, offers you a lot of flexibility. So here it is. I've got all three sections folded up, and I've got the one support bar in place. Very easy. It certainly is a two-hand job. It's not a two-person job, but you need two hands to do this. But it's locked down there. But to release this and take it off, you just push that button. It folds over, and if you can see on the other side, I haven't attached that yet, the support bar over there, but it stows away and it snaps in place for travel when you're not using it. So when you have all three sections down, those are out of the way and very secure. So that's what it looks like when it's put away, and then this is what it looks like when the support bar's in place. Again, when you have both those support bars in place, you can go about your business, and there it shows you how that looks. It's pretty cool. I've not driven much with it like that. I have picked up an appliance for my dad, and we folded it all the way up, and it worked. I don't know as I would want to go a long ways like that. I would imagine that provides some additional resistance to the wind, but as you can tell, it keeps it off your cab of your truck, and it's very nicely taken care of. So here, and this is, I'm on the other side, and you just take this and you just kind of push down on the red little lever, and it pops in place, and you're ready to roll. So that's both levers, or both supports in place, and it's ready to roll.